So hey guys, in this video we are going to understand the Maclaurin series. So in which we have done few problems, the basic problems, three problems we have done. So we are going beyond that. Now here is the problem: y is equal to e power 2x. Okay. Now first you have to understand the formula for what Maclaurin series. So it is given by f of x equal to f of 0 plus f dash of 0 into x plus f double dash of 0 into x square 0 into x square by 2 factorial plus f triple dash of 0 into x cube divided by 3 factorial and so on, right? So this is the formula. Last general thing you can write as f power n of 0 into x power n by n factorial. The general thing we can understand from that. Now here we have seen the formula. This can be given as y is equal to, okay, so this can be written as y of x equal to y of 0, y dash of 0, like that also you can write. Anyways, it is fine. So y is nothing but a function of x. Okay, this you have to understand. Y is nothing but a function of x. Next, now what you have to find here? See, Taylor series and this some relation is that you have seen. Now here in Maclaurin series we have to find the f of 0, f dash of 0, f double dash of 0, so on we have to find. So first we need to find f of x is already given. So first we'll start with the first step, which is the to find the f of 0. So first I'll write f of x, which is nothing but y given in the question, e power 2x, for which I have to find f of 0. Now what is f of 0? In place of x substitute 0. That's it. So what will happen? E power 2x is there. So 2 into 0, 0. What is e power 0? 1. So f of 0 is that. Now I have to find f dash of 0. So for that purpose, I have to first find f dash of x. So first I'll find f dash of x, which is equal to. Now what you have to differentiate? F dash of x basic meaning is what? Differentiation. So I have to differentiate this particular function with respect to x. E power 2x. E power x differentiation is what? E power x. So I'll write e power x differentiation is e power x. But the thing is that in place of x I have 2x. So I have to differentiate what? 2x as well. This is nothing but the chain rule. So e power 2x into differentiation of 2x with respect to x is what? 2. So I can directly write 2 into e power 2x, right? So f dash of x I have f dash of 0 I have to find. So which is given by 2 into e power 0, which is equal to e power 0 is 1, so it will be 2. Done. Now I have to find f double dash of 0, for which I have to find f double dash of x. So which one I should differentiate? I should take the previous one, right? So previous one is f dash of x. I'll differentiate it again so that I will get what? F double dash of x. So 2 is a constant which should be kept outside. Again differentiation of e power 2x. How to do that? We know that it is e power 2x into again differentiation of e power 2x, that is again differentiation of 2x. So which is given by 2 into e power 2x is e power 2x into d by dx of 2x is 2. So what is the answer? 4 e power 2x. Otherwise, if you are getting confused, it is fine. See what you are doing here. E power 2x differentiation is nothing but e power. See, the differentiation of e power x is what? E power x only. But in place of x, someone else is sitting, right? 2x is sitting. So that's why e power x, e power 2x into differentiation of this particular function is 2. So that's what we are doing here. Okay. For which I have to find f double dash of 0. What is f double dash of 0? 4 into e power 0, which is nothing but 4. So I am not writing the step, just write it 4 into e power 0. Okay. Now triple dash I'll find. Now most of the questions they will tell you to find till 4th derivative, 5th derivative, so on till they'll tell you. Otherwise, if you can do till 4th derivative and all, and then you can stop it. Okay. Which one I should differentiate? I should take this value, right? This value I should take and differentiate. So 4 is a constant, keep it outside. Now e power 2x differentiation is e power 2x into differentiation of 2x again I have to do. right? So what answer you will be getting? 4 is already sitting. E power 2x and differentiation of 2 is what? 2. So 2 into 4 is 8. So 8 e power 2x. I am writing directly. Okay. I hope you understood. It is nothing but just multiplying 2 with what? 4. That's it you have to do. 2 with 2 I multiplied. I got 4 e power 2x. 2 with 4 I multiply. I'll get 8 power this. Next derivative will be what? 2 into 8 I'll multiply. I'll get 16 e power 2x. That's it. Okay. So now what do you have to do? That implies triple dash of 0 will be what? 8 e power 0, which is 8. Now we'll go for the last derivative, which is the fourth derivative. You can do fifth, sixth and all, but it is fine till if you do till what? Fourth derivative. Now 8 is a constant value. This you have to differentiate. 8 is a constant value. Differentiation of e power 2x is e power 2x into differentiation of the power, which is 2x. So what will be the answer you will be getting? 8 as it is into e power x 2x into derivative of 2x is 2. So you'll be getting 16 e power 2x. That's what I said. The basic idea is e power 2x, if you are differentiating, what will happen? Just put 2 over here. So 2 e power 2x. If you want to differentiate this, multiply 2 and 2, you'll be getting 4 e power 2x. Next differentiation, 2 you multiply here, you'll be getting 8 e power 2x. Next differentiation, if you multiply, you'll be getting 16 e power 2x. Next differentiation, you'll be getting 32 e power 2x. Next differentiation, you'll be getting 64 e power 2x. So on. The simple logic we are applying here. Okay. Now we have to find what f fourth derivative 0 value you have to find out. So 16, it will be 16 into e power 0 is 16. So we have found out till fourth. We can find further also, but we'll stop it here. Now as we know, we have got all the values of what. Now we have to focus only on these values: f of 0, f dash of 0, f double dash, triple dash, fourth derivative, like that, so on. We have to focus because in the formula only this part is there. Now what we'll be doing, we'll be substituting values in this particular equation, Maclaurin series. Okay, so what is the f of 0 value we calculated? The f of 0 value was nothing but this one, which is 1. So I'll substitute here. So f of x becomes what? 1 plus f dash of 0 value we know it is 2. You will substitute here 2. X is also sitting, so x plus f double dash of 0 where it is 4. So we'll be getting 4 into x square is there, right? And 2 factorial is also there. What is 2 factorial? 2 into 1, which is 2, plus f double triple dash, that means third derivative. So it is 8. Then x cube is sitting beside, divided by 3 factorial. What is 3 factorial? 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 into 2, which is 6. Plus fourth derivative value also we calculated, which is nothing but 16 x power 4 divided by 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. We'll go for the simplification. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 fours are. Now 16 is there, so 4 fours are and 2 twos are. So what is the left out answer we can write? So we can directly write the answer as what? F of x equal to 1 plus 2x plus 2x square by, no, only 2x square is there, plus 4x cube by 3 plus 2x power 4 by 3 plus so on is there. Okay. Now here we are having second method to solve this question also. So we have already studied that e power x series, if you remember, the basic series are nothing but e power x, cos x, sin x. This we have done problem previously also. That are nothing but basic Maclaurin series. If you remember that, you can directly put and substitute and get the values. So e power x answer for this is a Maclaurin series is 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial and so on. This is nothing but e power x. This you have done previously one problem also based on this same thing. Okay. Now Here in place of x, our question basically had what? Our question basically had e power 2x, right? So we have to substitute in place of x 2x. That's what you are going to do. So here e power 2x will become, wherever x is there, substitute there 2x. That's it. So x is sitting, put 2x. Now x is sitting, put 2x. That will be whole square divided by 2 factorial plus x is sitting 2x whole cube divided by 3 factorial, right? Plus here again 2x power 4 divided by 4 factorial. Okay. Now, how to solve this? Simple. E power 2x is equal to 1 plus 2x plus. Now we'll simplify this. It will be 4x square divided by 2 factorial, which is 2, plus 2 cube is what? 8x power 3 divided by 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, plus 2 power 4 is what? How much? It is 16x power 4 divided by 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now if you see, it's the same thing as what this thing, right? It is the same step as what this thing. So if we simplify, you'll be getting what? 2 cancel, 2 4s are cancel, 2 and 2 4 2s are 8, and 8 2s are. So you will be left out with what? This thing. It's the same as this thing. So what you understood from this, that if you want, you can do by second method also, if you know the e power x series. Otherwise you have to do the procedure to get the e power x series, then you substitute the value, but it is better you go by this method itself, first method. If you know already the e power x series, then it is fine. Otherwise you go by the first method itself. Okay.